Welcome to Eggprentice. Follow me on my journey to master the many different ways of cooking eggs. Here is a sneak preview of what you'll be expecting on my channel. Over here you can see a sunny side up egg being cooked. Makes for a perfect breakfast. Next up, we have the scrambled egg. Here are some ingredients that goes into a scrambled egg. Oh my, look at that scrambled egg. It's moist and tasty. Here, you are looking at how a Japanese tamagoyaki is being cooked. For this egg dish, you would need a special rectangular shaped pan. I will be teaching you the exact technique to make the perfect tamagoyaki. You will also be learning how to cook these egg dishes that you see over here and many more. Full step-by-step walkthroughs will be provided in my Cook With Me video series. You are now looking at a fast-forwarded example of what you can expect in that video series. Be sure to also check out the Eggprentice Challenge series, where I'll be inviting special guests over to see if they can cook 3 different egg dishes after teaching them the techniques to do so. For instance, the Eggs Benedict dish, an egg omelette and the Korean steamed egg. Remember to hit the subscribe button and check out my videos now!